Hello everyone, today I would like to show you how to sand the perfect edge with a brush sanding machine. This machine is designed with two brushing heads. It can be a panel edge sanding, cabinet door sanding, and entrance door sanding. With a very flexible air floating system, it is very smooth. With a speed variable motor, it can be adjusted from 0 to 3,500 RPM for different requirements. The guiding fence is very easily to adjust with a quick lock system. And the guiding fence will make sure your workpiece will fit in with a straight line. You can adjust the scale of sanding by pushing forward and backward. For different material sanding.